in between, far and wide, your vacation, pag may nangyari, alam mo, ang Pilipinas continues to be a volatile, or whichever. You have the insurgency, you have the NPAs, and you have the terrorists. Ang pinaka-dangerous dyan are the terrorists. Mahirap
But sir, yung pagpapahinga ninyo, was it advised by your doctor?
Ano po?
Was it advised by your doctor, sir, for you to take a rest for a few days?
Hindi ka ako makarest eh. Mag-uwi lang ako. Tulog na ako 2 araw. Kasi para to make up the short fall, ika nga. Pero